Guys, let's talk about Jamie Lee Curtis. So she is promoting her new movie with Lindsay Lohan, Freaky Friday, and she's on a press junket, and she recently sat down with The Guardian, and the topic of plastic surgery came up. Jamie Lee Curtis has been very, very outspoken over all these years on how opposed to plastic surgery she is. And she even went as far as calling plastic surgery a genocide on the younger generation of women. She believes that plastic surgery causes disfigurement and is even quoted saying, "I have been very vocal about the genocide of a generation of women by the cosmeceutical industrial complex who've disfigured themselves." And then when further asked about it, she doubled down on using the word genocide. She says, "I've used this word for a long time, and I use it specifically because it is a strong word, and I believe that we have wiped out a generation or two of the natural human appearance." Now, I have many thoughts about this article. It is important to know contextually that Jamie Lee Curtis herself has had plastic surgery, and she's talked about it many times before. She was 25 years old. She was filming a movie called Perfect. It was 1985, and the cinematographer at the time was very vocal about the way she looked. He even went so far as to say that he was not going to shoot her for the film on a particular day because her eyes looked baggy, and she herself was very embarrassed by this. And as soon as the movie finished, she went and she had some cosmetic surgery, and she has a lot of regrets about this. I would love to sit down and have a conversation with Jamie Lee Curtis because a lot of what she says in this article and in prior interviews is well-intentioned. And I think especially with this younger generation coming up, these women, they want to enhance their natural features. Yes, things have gone overboard. I've talked about this before: butt lips, lip filler, large breast implants. But by and large, I think that a lot of what she says has value, but there are caveats to each individual, and we're in an age and a spirit of education and empowerment and allowing women to get good information and decide to do what's best for themselves. I myself did not become a plastic surgeon to spend my life in pursuit of disfiguring women, but I'm curious to know what your thoughts are.